Hi there! Today I'm going to demo how you can quickly and easily schedule your tennis or pickleball group for an entire season using our plan-to-play court scheduler. The process of creating a schedule is done in 3 simple steps. First, you will set up your group profile. Indicate the day of play, the start, end dates, number of players, and any holidays. You can also have the system assign who should bring the balls. Next, you will add your players. Here you can add new players, or if you have used our system for previous seasons, you can quickly select players from your old groups. Now you can edit the match assignments. This step allows you to specify the number of times each player will play, as you adjust one player to play more or less matches. The screen will auto-update the rest of the players. You are almost done. To generate the schedule right away without prompting your players for availability, select the first option. To enter the availability on your player's behalf, select the second option, or you can use the third option to prompt your players to enter their availability before a cutoff date. Congratulations! You have just generated your schedule. You can also view the pairings and any conflicts by selecting the match matrix view. Click on the squares to swap players. Once you have published the schedule, our system will notify the players, send out reminders, and allow your players to easily find subs. This completes our overview of the Plan to Play scheduler. Happy scheduling!